looking around to find somewhere to put the piece. Had to come here to the football ground for our hog roast and said, have you got anywhere around here? Because we thought someone would be around here. And when we came, she said, come down after the meeting and there's some grass just down there. And so, is that any good, she said. So I paced it out and I thought, we could get 2 pieces down there between us. We got the piece. And since then I've been just looking after it. People come various sorts of levels. Some play, some are quite keen. Some people haven't played. We've always got some boules that we can loan people or sell them if they like it.
I first started playing boules when I retired, and in fact it was the first thing I did on the first free day of my first free week. After 2 years, when the lady that was running it asked me to take over, so I have now been the group leader for 16 years. We don't take it too seriously. We enjoy the camaraderie and we play all weathers and usually get a turnout of between 12 and 16. Basically, you organise the teams at the beginning of the afternoon, take the money and submit it to the U3A every 2 months, so it's not a big deal. Although we forget the results as soon as it's over, we enjoy trying to win, and obviously we have a laugh with on the various comments that are going on. We just enjoy ourselves.
We want it to be fun, and we've now raised for the football over £2,000 for them. And we say, okay, that's £2, 2 hours, that's 4,000 hours of fun that we've actually generated. And it is, and you can hear they're all bantering away.
They like to be outdoors with others, having a friendly competition.